Do you know you can earn between $20 and $35 per hour working from the comfort of your home as a virtual assistant? Yeah, that's right. And this does not require you to have 10 years of experience. No. In fact, you can even start working as a virtual assistant with zero experience. All you need is the right skill. And that's what I'm here to tell you about in this video, so don't go anywhere. In this video, I'm going to be telling you all about the role of a virtual assistant, the skills you need, and where you can get them, where you can learn the skills for free. Just get a pen, get a paper, and come closer. Let's talk about who a virtual assistant is. So, a virtual assistant is a self-employed professional who works remotely to provide efficient administrative, creative, and technical assistance to a team or individuals. Virtual assistants work behind the scene to make their clients' life easier by taking care of tasks and letting their clients concentrate on other important things that matters to them. So next we are going to talk about the roles of a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants manages different kinds of tasks. It all depends on the individual or organization you are working with. Some of the tasks are research, calendar and time management, making travel plans and arrangements, email and record management, data entry, expense tracking, project management, and much more. Like I said, it depends on the person you're working with. You might not do all of this for a particular client, or you might be doing some other ones that are different from this one. As a VA, you can choose to specialize in one particular area, or you work as a general virtual assistant. There are different niches, so I'm just going to include the link so you can check them out and also see the kind of tasks you'll be doing if you choose a particular niche. To become a successful virtual assistant, you need these three skills: soft skills, technical skills, and knowledge of tools and application. These are the skills that are going to help you do your work well as a professional. I'm going to further explain each of the skills and what they entail. So let's talk about soft skills. Soft skills are sometimes referred to as professional skills. These are skills that are applicable to all profession. Whatever profession you are into, you need the skills to be able to work well and also be able to relate well with the people you're working with. So I'm going to mention 7 of them. There are many more, but I'm going to mention like 7 that are very important. Problem solving skills, communication skills, adaptability, time management, interpersonal skills, critical thinking, and teamwork. Your problem solving skill will help you be able to come up with solutions quickly when there's a problem. Being able to communicate well will make it easy for you to relate well with your clients. Adapting to changes, being able to manage your time, and so on. So let's talk about technical skills. These are specific knowledge and abilities needed to perform a particular task. They enable you to be productive and efficient in your role. So as an aspiring virtual assistant or a virtual assistant that you are, you need to know how to use the computer. That's computer literacy, graphic design skills, strong research skills, email management, project management, basic knowledge of online tools, and you need to be tech savvy. By this I mean you need to stay updated with the latest trends when it comes to technology. For instance, we now have AI. We use AI to generate images, to generate scripts, to do different things. You need to know how to use these tools. As they come out, you learn how to use it, as it will be of so much benefit to you in your work. Almost done, right? So let's talk about tools. Essential VA tools. Google Workspace. This is a collection of cloud computing productivity and collaboration tools, softwares, and products developed and marketed by Google. It consists of so many, but as a virtual assistant, you're going to be using these 8 a lot, which is Gmail, Google Meet, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slide, and Google Forms. Google Workspace, Google Tools are widely used by so many companies and individuals. They're very easy to use and easy to learn. So if you can use these tools very well, it won't be difficult using other tools, as they are just slight differences. Yay! Congratulations, you made it to this point. You've made the biggest step ever. So what next? Now that you know what being a VA entails and the skills you need, you might be wondering where to learn these skills. I have 2 videos about online platforms where you can take courses for free. Check them out and start enrolling for courses. And don't worry, we'll keep talking more and I'll get to show you more. I just do not want to put too much together at the same time, so you can get to follow it step by step. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Did you gain value? Do you have questions in your mind? Just drop it in the comments and I'll surely answer you. If there's anything else you want me to talk about in my next video, you can drop it in the comments also and I'll look into it.